Hi everyone, this is Ron with DNR Travel, and we're going to do something a little different today. Today we got a Chrono Toys Funko Pop exclusive, hopefully, vaulted. We got, I bought a $25 mystery box, and basically it's one Funko Pop, and the instructions said you at least get your $25 value back. But it could be up to $500. So we're gonna go right into it. We got box number 63, and so it's a mystery box. So how it works, if you don't know, the shipper, the toy company, will randomly put boxes into a set, and you just order it, and you don't know what you're gonna get. That's why they call it the mystery box. So this is my first one. We started collecting the Funko Pops. We thought they were pretty cool. They were like different characters from any genre you could think of: sports, film, music, movies. And then we just got intrigued by it, and we started to collect a few. We just started a new collection. So this is my first Chrono Toys mystery box. So we're gonna see basically what it comes out to look like here, what I wind up getting. So. And Chrono Toys, if anybody's interested, they have mystery boxes every now and again. They're out of El Monte, California. Took about, we're in Ohio, so it took about a week for me to get it once I ordered it. And so I've been waiting to see and shoot a video on this, unboxing this Funko. So let's go ahead and see what we got on this. All right, let's get the box opener here. And we're gonna see what it is that we got. This will really, if it's nice, it'll set the collection off. We're gonna look at either keeping it or maybe reselling it. We're gonna keep the ones that we like, the ones that actually, you know, mean something from us, from our childhoods. And that sort of thing. I mean, anything you can think of with these Pops, they have the characters redone, and it's really interesting. I'm waiting on getting some Breaking Bad ones too. We both love Breaking Bad, and it was a series with Jesse Walt, a couple other people and they have Funko Pops for those too. So you know, we are really excited to build our collection. So I'm gonna start with this one, and I'm gonna do like I see some other YouTubers do that we watch that got us actually inspired to do this. We really love franchise kicks. Go check them out. But we're gonna open this up and see what we got. Now, I feel bubble wrap. Okay, so hard stack. Like I said, it goes from $25 up to $500. I spent $25 on this one Pop. This is my first one. If this comes out nice, I might get some more. But we're trying to get exclusives, so that's what you want. So this could range from $25 up to $500. So I'm not gonna look at it. I'm just gonna try to open it up. But I did feel it was a hard case, a hard stack. So that's a good sign. I don't know if I can get it all the way off, but it is a hard protector, that's for sure. That's a hard protector. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull it out without you guys seeing what it is either. I'm not gonna look. All right, so I'm gonna put it under here and move back a little bit. All right, now I got some control here. So, no, it's a soft protector. Or is it in a protector at all? I don't even know. It's in bubble wrap. No, there's no protector on here, I don't think. And if it is, it's a soft protector. No, I don't think it's a protector on it. This feels like the front. All right, I'm gonna show it to you guys. And it's not in the hard stack. So I didn't get anything major, I don't think. But we'll see what it is. Let's see. All right, My Hero Academia. What is this one? Big Apple BigAppleCollections.com exclusive. It's an all-for-one My Hero Academia. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull and see what this thing is worth. And because with Funko, that's the other good thing, you can go in and kind of see the value. It's an exclusive, so that's good. Except we're still learning about these things, but they're collectors. I used to collect, they're collectibles, and the box itself looks really good. So this is, I've got a little crease here on the back, but the box looks really good. It's a 2019, so this is a newer one. So it's probably not gonna be worth that much, but they guaranteed the value of $25. So that's the biggest thing I'm looking for. I want my money back. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan this and see what it's worth. Okay. Well, I got my money back. It's trending PPG value at $28. So on the Funko website. So 28 bucks. It wasn't a $500 one. I was hoping it was, but I'm gonna maybe order another one. I should have ordered a couple of them and took my chances a little bit more, but they did guarantee your value back. And box number, this was box number 63 that I got out of the assortment. And so it's in decent condition, so it should hold up to its value. So this will just go in the collection, and it's a very popular anime series, I know that. And we'll see you know, what we're gonna do with it. I'm not a big fan of the series, so I might put it up for resale. Might check it out on eBay. If you're interested in this one, you know, hit me up in the comments. So if you like this sort of video, please comment, subscribe, like, share, and you know, that helps grow the channel. We can do more stuff like this. So until the next time, make Pops your happy place. See ya.